Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Dibawakan Putri dengan santai. Lagu Bohemian Rhapsody ternyata banyak sekali peminat dari reaktor luar negeri. Salah satunya guru vokal atau vokal coach yang berasal dari Amerika ini sangat penasaran dengan apa yang dilakukan oleh Putri ARIANI dalam lagu Bohemian Rhapsody. Nah guys, seperti apa tanggapan dari vokal cantik ini terhadap video Putri ARIANI? Jangan kemana-mana, langsung aja kita cek ke videonya. Let's go.
Welcome back to another reaction review video with me, Nina Schofield, singer-songwriter, vocal coach and session musician. And I'm back to watch
wait, saya koreksi guys. Apakah ini dari Amerika ya? Sebentar, saya lupa loh. Kalau iya, memang iya bersyukur. Tapi kalau nggak, tolong koreksi saya guys.
Any of my other videos. You know, I'm just on a Bohemian Rhapsody thing at the moment, so this time we're watching Putri's version of this Queen classic. And interestingly, I've noticed that it's 3 minutes 21 seconds, so a shorter version of this song. I'm excited to see how she's arranged this, because Putri, for me, is a great arranger. She's not just a great singer, but she's a great arranger. She really thinks about what to do with the music, how to interpret it in her own way. So let's see what happens here. Okay, here we go.
Anyway, the wind blows doesn't really matter to me.
Ini disebut akapela, benar?
Her vibrato. Nice. I like how she waited just the right amount to come in.
Mama just killed a man.
Now, isn't this lovely how delicately she's approaching this? I think I saw that it was the soft version of this song. So far, piano-wise, vocal-wise, yes, we've got that more aspirate tone coming through, and just the piano in general. I used to have that keyboard. I just noticed just that softness coming through there as well.
Dia pasti udah gak sabar pengen main keyboardnya ya.
Put my trigger now, he's dead.
Nice, that melodic change up there.
Mama, life had just begun.
Ooh, I like that dynamic change from just to begun.
Life had just begun.
And straight onto the vibrato.
I'm gonna throw it all away.
Wow. Now we've really got that dynamic element coming through. The strength coming through in Putri's vocal.
Saya suka nih ya. Kalau komentarnya berhubungan dengan teknik vokal saya suka.
Swoopiness in that mama to the ooh.
Mama,
Little note bend onto it.
didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, carry on.
I'm just going to take it back to the end of the word tomorrow.
This time tomorrow.
So I've noticed with Putri, she selects which phrases she's going to give this kind of relaxed attitude to in the endings of them, and then other times you'll notice that she will really be quite succinct about it, so you'll have like a oh.
Yeah.
I've already noticed her doing little 2-note, 3-note melodic movements at the end of phrases. Everything is well thought out.
Carry on.
Yeah.
Carry on, as if nothing
Lovely piano.
matters.
Aduh,
That's that iconic.
gimana cara dia melakukannya tanpa melihat ya guys ya? Itu benar-benar susah.
She's a one-man band here, Putri.
Kayak Alibata dong.
Carrying it all on her back.
My time has come.
See, that's interesting as well. Just changing the odd melody, not veering so far away from the original that you can't recognize it, but the odd moment where it's slightly different, it's more Putri style.
St. Shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time.
The cry in her vocal.
Goodbye, everybody.
I heard that, Putri.
Down my
The
spine,
three-step upward bit.
body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody.
Love that. Not gonna let that go unnoticed.
Oke, dia mau cobain.
really like that. See, this is what I'm talking about. There are subtle moments of detail that she scatters throughout, even where you have these moments of really peaceful vocals. Here's a little bit of my agility. Here's a little touch of my dynamic control. You know, we're not letting things like that go within this, even though it's the softer version of the song. Really nice.
I've got to go, gotta leave you all behind and face the truth.
Woof.
Mama,
The length of this phrase. Cry on set.
I don't wanna die. Sometimes wish I'd never been born at all.
Itu versi Putri sendiri ya.
So, going up with that strength to that E flat there, let's just hear that again.
Sometimes wish I'd never been born at all.
Very Putri phrase.
Jelas itu versinya sendiri.
Oh, baby,
Bringing that dynamic down.
and do this to me, baby. Just gotta get out, just gotta get right out of here.
So notice as well how we've got a little bit of movement into free time here. She's just feeling the phrases as she goes. This is quite a difference from that more structured feel that we had previously. Now it's just moving where the wind goes. Anywhere the wind goes. It doesn't really matter to Putri.
Iya.
Nothing really matters.
Bit of rasp.
Anyone can see.
Nice.
Nothing really matters.
Almost whispered.
No.
Wait, that on set was gorgeous.
Nothing really matters.
This one.
Nothing really matters to me.
Iya. Indah sekali Put. Bener-bener
Wow.
enak didengar.
Truly feeling the music there. That was gorgeous. And, you know, that whispery vocal almost to the point of it breaking up. Very nice. We went on a real dynamic journey inside of the musicality of that performance. I really enjoyed that. And it's so interesting to kind of dive back into performances from prior to the America's Got Talent performances that Putri did and go back in time a little bit, for me anyway, because I've only just discovered her. So for me to kind of go back into her back catalogue and see things like this is amazing. Such a great pianist. I'm always going to bring that up as well because I love my keys and my piano. You know, I have such great respect for someone who understands the instrument like that and plays it so that it really is a support system for the vocal. And she is so good dynamically on that as well as with her vocal. It matches so magnificently and her vocal just soars above. So we got so many different techniques coming through there, things that Putri just naturally does and things that I think, oh, you know, she's really thought about what suits this song best, what tells the emotion of this song, the emotional story, what matches the lyrical content. And it's just so nice to see. Loved that. Let me know what you thought of that.
Oke, terima kasih buat Nina. Nina ya kalau nggak salah namanya ya. Tadi saya sampai katakan kepada kalian apakah benar saya menyebutkan ini reaktor berasal dari Amerika. Kalau salah tolong koreksi saya guys ya. Ya maklum lah ya, banyak sekali reaktor yang saya lihat jadi saya lupa asal negaranya. Tapi kalau benar ya memang alhamdulillah gitu. Kalau salah ya tolong koreksi saya guys ya. Oke, terima kasih buat vokal cantik ini. Yang jelas saya suka sekali bagaimana dia menganalisa ya. Kalau orang yang sudah paham dengan suara, saya selalu katakan orang tersebut pasti menganalisanya dengan ilmu. Ilmu yang dia ketahui, ilmu yang dia pelajari. Jadi ada nilai positif yang kita dengarkan atau kita ketahui dari vokal coach seperti ini guys ya. Nah, Putri ARIANI juga membawakan lagu tersebut dengan tenang. Pastinya vokal coach ini juga tahu lagu ini dan Siapa yang nggak tahu Bohemian Rhapsody, guys ya? Siapa yang nggak tahu Queen? Coba di antara kalian siapa yang nggak kenal Queen? Bisa aja sih, mungkin generasi-generasi sekarang ya. Artinya, apakah generasi sekarang juga mengenal Queen? Iya, pastinya banyak yang mengenal Queen. Bukan berarti hanya kenal orang-orang zaman dulu aja. Queen kan band besar zaman dulu ya guys ya, yang terkenal di zamannya. Bahkan sekarang tuh masih terkenal, makanya disebut band legend ya. Kalau band legend itu selalu menggema namanya di masa-masa atau era-era sampai kapanpun gitu ya. Seperti Rhoma Irama itu juga band legend. Tapi Rhoma Irama masih ada orangnya. Artinya Haji Rhoma Irama masih ada, belum pulang gitu ya. Maaf ya Pak Haji ya, bukan bermaksud seperti apa-apa ya. Oke, nah sekali lagi terima kasih buat Nina. Dan buat kalian guys yang belum tahu channel reaktor ini, silahkan aja kunjungi channelnya, karena link channelnya sudah kami lampirkan dalam deskripsi video ini. Terima kasih banyak buat kalian yang sudah menyimak. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. Cause we step closer, don't go anywhere. Stay with me, jangan lupa berkarya hari ini. Bye.